export settings in Premiere Pro. So first, expand Video, and then click on Match Source. This will put in all the correct values for you, but if they aren't correct, you can simply uncheck the box and change it to the correct setting. Now click on More, and then enable Render at maximum depth, and use maximum render quality. And under the encoding section, make sure it's set to hardware encoding, and then set the profile to high. And if you don't already have it, then make sure that the level is set to 5.2. Now at the bottom, under the bitrate settings, you want to make sure it's set to VBR1 pass. Now increasing the slider will increase the video quality, but also the file size. So here's a chart for the best bitrate setting, depending on your project. Last but not least, expand audio and make sure that the format is set to AAC, and then set the sample rate to 48,000 and the bitrate setting to 320. Like and follow for more quick tech hacks.